Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we're going to create our own custom pipe. So let's get started. Here in our TypeScript file, we have the JS intro variable of type string. And in our HTML file, we are displaying it inside of p tag, as shown here in the browser. And we are creating our own pipe that each time finds the word JavaScript replaces with its abbreviation. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is open the terminal. And we're going to use the Angular CLI, so ng generate pipe. We're going to call it abbreviation, and hit enter. And automatically it creates two files for us, .spec and .ts, and it updates the app.module. So here in app.module, it imports our pipe, and it adds to the declarations. Now, let's open the pipe file. Here first we have the name for our pipe, and we have the transform method, which is invoked each time the pipe added or each time the value changes. So let's just change the return to value, and here we can see that it doesn't change anything. Now, I'm gonna use the replace function, which is a JavaScript built-in function, 2 slashes, and I'm gonna put JavaScript, and we'll put GI, which means global, and we're gonna replace it by JS. Now let's add our pipe, so vertical bar, abbreviation. Now let's check the browser, and here we found that JS here, JS was developed, and here, where is it? And here to rename it JS. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.